Hey traders, so today we're actually going to talk about risk management, but most importantly, how to position size correctly before you actually enter into a trade. Now, before you actually enter into a trade, the few things that you actually need to know is first your entry, second is your stop loss, and then you would actually look for your take profit. Now, I'm going to give you an example of today that I'm going to actually buy shares in Apple, and I only want to risk $100 of my RPD in this particular trade. Now, how I'm going to do that? So I'm going to take my entry point, I'm going to only risk $100, and I'm going to find out the distance from my entry point to my stop loss. In this case, it's going to be 1%. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my $100 and I'm going to divide that by 1%, which is going to give me around $10,000 to actually buy shares in Apple. Now with that $10,000, I will divide that by the current price of Apple, or the current price of where my entry is going to be. In this case, we'll do 161, and that will buy us around about 62 worth of Apple shares. Now, buying 62 Apple shares with a 1% stop loss is only going to risk $100 of my capital. Now, I am going to put some more examples in the description, which will be written examples to help you out. But for more content in the equities market, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, but check out the rest of the videos in this series as well. Take care, traders. Bye.